What is going on, everyone? Jordan Anderson here. Today we're going to learn how to embed your Checkout Anywhere from SamCart onto your Framer website. This is kind of the end result that we're going for. I got a little 2-column checkout page right here. Got our Checkout Anywhere embed right here on the right side. So let's work backwards and add this to our Framer site. Okay, so the two things we need up are our SamCart page, of course, and our Framer site where we're going to drop our Checkout Anywhere embed. Today, we're going to make the 5-day sales mastermind. Let's use that as our example product. Once we're here, we're going to go up to the Checkout Anywhere tab, and instead of using embed, we're going to use the Express URL. So grab Express right there, copy that, and then let's head over to Framer. Here on Framer, I've got a 2-column setup, and I want to put my embed code right here, but you can set it up however you want. You could do a vertical, you could do it on the left side. So once I've got my layout built out how I want, all I have to do is drop the embed code, and I'm ready to go. So I've got my stack built. This is ready. I go up here to insert. I start typing embed, grab embed, and let's make sure that is inside our frame. I'm going to drag it onto there. Now we're here, and you go down to embed, and we're going to paste that SamCart Express link, and we've got it right there. So now all we have to do is do a little bit of sizing adjustment. We want this to fill the entire frame, and this will probably be relative 100%. And then we have to go one layer up to our stack and make sure that the height is correct. So let's drag this height down just to fit our checkout. Depends on how big your checkout is, and depends on how many order bumps you have and how much, if you have a coupon row. So I want to drag this here so that I've got everything looking good. Drag a little bit more to give it some breathing room. And you can also go over here and say fit content, and that will auto adjust this window here. And once I've got this going, I can, I had this whole stack section. I can add some, if I wanted to space it out a little bit more, maybe put this more on the right third. If I wanted to add some more padding to my site here, I can do that. Once I'm over here, I can go over to my tablet mode to check on that to see how I like this. If I wanted vertical, that looks pretty good. And then if I wanted to come over here and say, okay, maybe on the mobile version, let's add a gap. Let's see, let's go to our Checkout Anywhere. Let's add a gap between our sales copy and our checkout form, and maybe we want to reduce some of the padding on both sides just so that it kind of fills up both sides. And then that is pretty much it. We're ready to go. We can preview this. Got our sales mastermind page ready to go, and our checkout page loads up. We can scroll down, we can pay right here, we can adjust this, see what it looks like on tablet mode, and then on mobile version, and it's mobile optimized, ready to go, looking good, and it's that easy.